orbital overlap concept. When we talk about orbital overlap concept, that is, the concept of the orbital overlap tells about the formation of a covalent bond between the two atoms, which results by pairing of electrons that is being present in the valence shell, which is having opposite spins. And of course, the stability of the molecular orbital will depend upon the types of overlapping between the atomic orbitals. And the extent of overlapping will again depend on the two participating atoms, their size, and the valence electrons. And we have two or different types of covalent bond. So we have two types of covalent bond that is being categorized based on the nature of the overlap. First one, sigma bond, and the second one, pi bond. Sigma bond is formed by end-to-end overlap of the bonding orbitals along the internuclear axis. And the second type, that is pi bond, is formed when atoms overlap in such a way that their axis will remain parallel to each other and perpendicular to the internuclear axis. And this type of overlap we call it as sideway overlap. But when we have sideways overlap therefore there are different types of your axial overlapping. Axial overlapping will actually involve these orbitals, that is your s orbital and your p orbitals, and the axial overlap involving these orbitals are categorized or into three types. First one we say SS overlapping, that is your s orbital combines with s orbital. There is overlap of two half-filled s orbitals along the internuclear axis. We could say that s orbitals overlap with another s orbitals in order to form a bond or in order to form a covalent bond. And for example, we can say the formation of hydrogen molecule involves SS overlapping. And the next type is your SP overlapping. So the name itself signifies that there will be an overlapping between your s and p orbitals. Hence the name says that it is SP overlapping. There is overlapping of your s orbital and your p orbitals. Hence the name given is SP overlapping. For example, we could see the formation of your hydrogen fluoride. The formation of hydrogen fluoride is an example of your SP overlapping. And the third type of your axial overlapping is PP overlapping. So once again the name signifies the orbitals which is going to take part in the overlapping. And this type of overlapping will take place between your half-filled p orbitals of the two approaching atoms. Both the atoms which is going to take part in the formation of the bond will have overlapping of the pp orbitals. And for example, we could see the formation of your F2 follows the concept of your pp orbitals. Hence we could say that axial overlapping could exist in three format, or the bonding could exist in three overlapping, that is your SS overlapping, SP overlapping, and PP overlapping. PP overlapping says about your PP overlapping says about the overlapping of your half-filled p orbitals. SP overlapping says about the overlapping of your s and p orbitals, and SS overlapping is overlapping of two half-filled s orbitals. So this all we have the concept regarding the axial overlap, which should be very helpful in determining or supporting the formation of your covalent bond.